In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Excel, whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or generally keeping things organized. Combining these two powerful tools can help streamline your workflow significantly. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you can easily navigate the integration. First, let's head over to Monday.com. Open your web browser and go to your Monday.com workspace. If you're not already logged in, move to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Log In. For anyone signing in for the first time, you'll be prompted to log in using Google or the email associated with your Monday account. However, if you've already signed in before, you'll be conveniently directed straight to your Monday workspace, which makes things easier. Once you're in your workspace, focus your attention on your dashboard. Now, in the upper right corner, you'll see a three-dotted icon. Click on this to open a drop-down menu. This menu provides several options, but what you want to click on next is More Actions. This is essentially where you manage different tasks related to your boards, including exporting functions. Now, in the drop-down menu that appears under More Actions, find and click on Export Board to Excel. What this does is it prepares your board's data for exporting, transforming it into a format that Excel can read and manipulate. An important tip here, you have the option to choose specific information you want to be included in your export. You'll see little tick boxes where you can select or deselect the data points that are important for your scenario. Take a moment to decide what you need, ensuring that your exported file will be both manageable and insightful. After you've made your selections, click Export. This action will cue the system to compile the data as specified and prepare it for download. Don't worry, it's a pretty swift process, and within moments the file will automatically download to your browser. You know it's complete when you see the file appear at the bottom of your screen or in your designated downloads folder. The last step is to open the downloaded file in Microsoft Excel. Simply double click the file and Excel will launch to display all your Monday.com data in a spreadsheet format. You're now ready to manipulate, analyze, or simply review your data in Excel, making this integration a seamless part of your project management toolkit. And there you have it, a straightforward method to expand your tool's utility by integrating Monday.com and Microsoft Excel, helping you manage your tasks with greater efficiency and ease. Try it out and see how it can revolutionize the way you work. Thank you for joining me today, and happy integrating.